don't need your help, buddy. Hi, buddy. It's okay, bud.
Auntie Dee's over here to try and help us look at little man's feet here. But he's not really too much into having examination right now.
Okay, bud. It's okay, bud. It's okay, honey. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay, bud.
Poor guy.
I'm doing this with my... Can you just...
Hold on, I'm going to change sides.
Oh, it's okay. Good boy.
This, my friends, is a cat wrangler professional in action. Certified crazy cat lady. She is certified in cat behavior.
Okay, bud. Good boy.
Not every crazy cat lady can say that they're actually certified.
It's okay, buddy. It's a good boy. I know. You're allowed to talk. It's okay. Boy. I know. I know, buddy. It's a good boy.
Of course, we have Mr. Bobby here supervising and helping as usual.
Good boy. Oh, I know, buddy. Oh, I know, buddy.
I think he's felt the human touch before, but it's been a long time.
Good boy.
Because he let me touch his face a little bit, but not like that. He's liking that.
I know. We're still a little bit groggy, but that's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a good boy. Oh, yeah. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
He's liking that, hey Dee?
That's a good boy. I know.
He's not too sure yet, but...
Not too sure. Not too sure.
Can you see his feet? Like from the top yet? No? To me, when he's walking around, he almost looks a bit flipper-footed. But it's so hard to tell because on the black, and it usually comes out at night. You can take that right out.
I actually want to use that. It's okay, bud. No, bud. It's okay. This is that dry blood.
Don't do it barehanded. Oh my God.
Okay, good boy. Hi, buddy. I know, bud.
There's not enough room to get enough arms in there, hey?
No, I don't have enough room to get my arms
Yeah.
to flip his paws. Good boy.
Think of a plan B?
I know, bud. Good boy. Good boy. Auntie gotta look at your feety weeties. Huh? Auntie look at your feeties, buddy. Auntie look at your feeties, bud. Oh, thank you. Doesn't really help me any, but thanks.
What did he do?
Put his one foot forward.
Oh.
Can want to look at your feetsies, buddy? What do you want to see what I'm doing, or do you want me to cover your face again?
Oh. It's like one of those reality shows, hey, where you got the cameraman hovering over you.
Have this footsie, bud. I know, honey. I need the footsie, buddy. I might have to flip you. You won't let me see a footsie. No, bud. Okay, Lizzie. This side of me.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Can I get...
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, no, they look pretty good, Dee.
Good boy.
They look pretty good.
Can you turn the other way, honey? I know, bud. Can you turn your bum around?
He's being very tolerant, all things considered.
He is. He's being a good boy. Bye, Tata.
Yeah, I shouldn't have said anything.
That's fine.
Sorry.
That's fine. You can bite the glove.
Yeah, because this is all pretty,
That's a good boy.
pretty,
That's a good boy.
invasive, I guess.
That's a good boy. So you bite and I'll still pet you. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy. All right. Now, I'm going to drop that.
Oh, I see a foot from the top.
I know.
Move your hand for a minute. I want to see the shape of his feet. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see that kind of, they're kind of flippery. But they look good. They're not too... The one, his right hand looks a little more deformed than the other.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
I gotta get my headlamp in there.
Yeah,
and
I know.
your head's in the way.
And my head's in the way, my hand's in the way. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that looks like where he may be splitting it a bit from looking, but it looks pretty good. They are a bit deformed. His toes are a bit deformed, though, hey?
Yeah. Good boy. Did you get a picture of that?
Well, I got the video of it, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
Well, my head...
I know, just move. There you go. Okay. That's good.
Good boy.
I know, it's a small crate. There's not room for all three of us in there.
Good
And
boy.
they don't seem to be causing him a lot of pain right now either, eh?
I'm just losing my grip.
Yeah.
Back a bit. Good boy. Good boy.
I'm going to climb over you, Dee. Maybe if I get on this side, I can get in there a little better with you, because you got him by the right hand.
Good boy.
We'll try it anyway.
Okay. Are you going to switch on
Or
me now?
not. He switched, didn't he?
Glove. Pull. Okay. Okay.
Oh, he's been really good.
Didn't we already look at this one?
Yeah, we want to look at his right hand. His right hand looks a little more deformed than the other one. Okay, let me zoom. Yeah, it actually looks like it's more healed, but the toes are a little more deformed. That right there looks a little bit goopy yet, hey?
Yeah.
But I don't see infection.
Good boy.
I think he's working on medicating himself now.
Good
You're
boy.
a good boy.
Good boy, baby.
Oops.
You're okay, bud.
I don't know if his back feet were that bad. From what I see with him walking around, his back feet don't look as quite as deformed as his fronts. Let me just get in there, Dee. Just to get a good look at his feet from the top. There we go. Okay.
Good boy. I know, buddy. I'll pet you now. Don't okay,
This
bud.
is pretty disgusting.
You're okay. You're okay, buddy. Good boy. I know. Okay, are we done now?
Yeah, he says I've had about enough of that, Auntie D.
Okay,
Well, I think we saw.
clean that.
Yeah, I think we saw what we need to see.
Yeah.
That's a lot for him. That was a lot. Good boy. We're proud of you.
Good boy, buddy.
Whew, Dee.
Good boy.
That was exciting. Thanks, Dee. Say hi to your crowd. Cat professional in action.